division, that is chapter number 4, division. So last class you have learned about multiplication. As you know that multiplication is repeated addition, but in case of division it is known as repeated subtraction. Okay, so why is it repeated subtraction? We will tell you why. Now division and multiplication are both related and both are opposite to each other. Why so? Let me tell you. So suppose I am multiplying 2 into 5. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. When we divide from opposite side, 10 divided by 5, we get 2. 10 divided by 5, we get 2. So this way it proves that multiplication and division are both opposite to each other. Like addition and subtraction are both opposite to each other. Similarly, in case of division and multiplication, they are both opposite to each other. Now the question arises, what is repeated subtraction? Now the main question is that what is a division? Division means something, you need to distribute something into equal parts. That is the main thing of division. So it is repeated subtraction. Suppose I am giving a division. Okay, 6 divided by 3. Okay, 6 you have divided in 3. What will be the answer? So why is it called repeated subtraction? So we will do. So when we 6 minus with 3, we get 3. Again we will do minus 3. We get 0. So this proves that you have done minus how many times? 2. So this is the answer. 3 2s are 6, you know. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. So this proves that division is repeated subtraction. So we are subtracting the 6 with 3, right? So you got 6 minus 3 is 3, 3 minus 3 is 0. So this way it proves that it is repeated subtraction. So there are some properties in case of division which we will learn. Now suppose I am giving, why is it is, suppose I am giving a 10 divided by 5. So this means what? Suppose you have 10 pencils. Okay, you have 10 pencils and you have to give that 10 pencils, you have divide in 5 students. You have given to 5 students and it should be equally distributed. Okay, 10 pencils you have divided in 5 students. So how much you will get? Obviously how much it will get? So 10 is divided by 5, it means 2. Each person will get 2. Each student will get. So 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. So that is the concept of division. So there are some properties also, we will learn these properties. So with this, the first property of division, that is very important concept, that multiplication and division are related. For each multiplication fact there are 2 division facts. So why is it so? As you have already learned, 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Right? So this 2 into 5 is a multiplication fact. Okay? Any number when you multiply, whatever answer you get is a multiplication fact. Okay? So from this multiplication fact, you will have 2 division facts. So what are the division facts? Oppositely, we will do 10 divided by 5. When we divide 10 divided by 5, we get 2. Okay? And when 10 divided by with the other number, that is 2, we get this number. So these 2 are the division fact. So in many competitive exam, this type of question used to be there. The multiplication fact used to be given in the exam and you need to tell which one is a division fact. So these are the 2 division facts. 10 divided by 5 is 2. That means you will get the other answer. When divide 10 with 2, you will get the other answer. So this is the first property. Let's go to second property. Second property. So when a number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. So when a number, suppose example I am giving, when 36 divided by 36, the quotient will be that the answer will be 1. Why so? As we know, if we oppositely, if we multiply, 1 into 36 is 36, as I have already opposite of, so that way also you can find. So see, 36 divided by 36 is 1. Why? I'm giving you a practically. There are 36 students in your class. Suppose you have 36 students in your class and you have bought chocolates 36 chocolates you have bought, and you need to distribute that 36 chocolate with 36 people. How much one will get? Obviously, if we distribute 36 children with 36 chocolate, there will be only one student will get 1. So this is the concept of it. But except when the number is 0. That means if we 0 divided by 0, there is an exception. They have not told this, but when you will go to higher classes, you will come to know why 0 divided by 0 is not equal to 0. Okay? Sorry, not equal to 1. Why? You will come to know in the higher classes. So this is the second rule. Let's go to third and third concept, property is that when a number is divided by 1, the answer is the number itself. Very simple. Why? So when, in case of multiplication also similar. So when you divide, when a number is divided by 1, okay, whatever answer you get will be the number itself. Okay, 3. That means 3 divided by 1 is 3. If 5 divided by 1 is 5, like that means. So similarly, in case of multiplication was also same. That when you multiply a number with 1, you will get the number itself. So similarly, in case of division also it is same. Now in case of example of 4, that when 0 is divided by any number except 0, okay, in case of 0, condition is different. The answer is always 0. So they are asking, they are telling that when you divide 0 divide by any number, 10 or 6, 7, whatever number, I am giving 6, the answer whatever you will get is always 0. But if you divide 0 divided by 0, the question, that will be a different, that one you will learn in the higher classes, that will not be a 0. That will not be a 0, not equal to 0. So that will be a different answer, so which you will learn in higher classes. So you understand this, when 0 is divided. Earlier that one is a number is divided with 1, but now here giving that 0 when divided by any number, 36, 37, whatever, you will get answer as 0. So these are the 4 properties of division. Okay, they have given, I am going with check what I know. For to know your previous knowledge, you need to do this one, okay. No need to do the word problem, you do number 1, okay. How to do, I am telling you. 72 divided by 9. So what happen is that whenever bigger is there, we will keep that one inside. That means 72 should be inside and 9 will be in outside, okay. Now you need to remember the table. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 3, 9 threes are, as I know it, you should know it, okay. So whatever you will put here, it should be greater than this. It should be smaller or equal to this, whatever you will do, and it will be multiplied with it. So 9 into what is 72? 9 into 8 I have got, because 9 sevens is 63. So 9 eights is 72. So we got 72. So if you do minus, you get what? 0. So remainder we have got 0. So this is known as quotient. This is known as divisor. This is known as divisor. This is known as dividend. This is known as dividend. And this is known as remainder. So I will tell you, there is one more important thing, but for the timing you learn how I am doing. As you have already learned, you need to know the multiplication table. You see it where you will get, and the 9 whatever you will multiply, whatever quotient you will give, you have to multiply both of them, and it should be a number, whatever answer you will get after doing multiplication, it should be equal or smaller than this number. But if it is greater, then you cannot write that number. Okay, so this is number 1A. I will do more in the next class. So this much for today. Thank you for watching.